Welcome back, everyone. Okay, like I said in the previous video, this video is going to be explaining how the pods fit together, and it's pretty easy, straightforward. I try to make it easy when I did the 3D files. So what you see is each pod consists of 4 main sections. That's beside your inside landing deck. Okay, and you see the front one is shorter than the rear one. And the front one has this open gap where the galactic armor plating goes. So you need to work the gaps, the spaces, to make sure this sits flush. Okay, so there's hardly any space between the two. Okay, so this needs to sit nicely flush. Okay, you need to work it down quite well. Okay, remember the right hand one, or the starboard side, gets the museum windows, which is a printed part. Okay, so once you've fitted these together, you see the notch goes in, and you're sure that they fit together well. Test them out, make sure they fit in, which I know they do. So there's your pod. Okay, this is the left hand pod. Okay, so the obvious things that holds the pod to the Galactica is the pod arms. Now you see on each pod arm there is it's written left front, left rear, and the same with the right hand side. So make sure that the area where this two little notches go in is clear of any debris. So use a knife to clear it out, and it should clip in pretty easily. Clip in and it goes in, and it should stay. Okay, on both of them. So once you've done that, you use a guide hole, or use a 2mm drill bit, which is what I did, and then drill straight through this at an angle so that the hole goes through this thickened section, which is your meat, and comes out the bottom. Okay, and then make this hole larger, tap this hole, and then it should screw straight in, which I know it does. So you get your screw, put it in, hold it. Okay, so you do that on both. Okay, once that's done, I'm not going to take it off. Then you take your top and bottom, okay, and the little notch that goes in, exactly the same thing, drill through and then screw and tap. Okay, once that's done, screw the whole thing together, put these two together, and then you do your central one, which holds the back and front together. Okay, so when you're finished, the result is going to be like such. Okay, they don't come apart. They're going to need to be glued together because there is still a gap on the one side, and do that once you've added lighting. So pretty easily this just slides. Okay, this is the right hand one, slides into the gaps for the notches, so you sit flush. Okay, so there's your turn the camera slightly. Okay, so there it is sitting in the body, and then your top section simply just covers a lot and screws on. So that's the result. Okay, so very easy. Okay, I need to work so that I can get these museum windows in, but it's a pretty nice result when it's done. Okay, so next video is going to be the all the printed parts, and then I'm going to come back and do this lower antennas like I explained. Okay.